So what we're going to do now is we're going to talk about systems of equations. A system of equations is is two or more equations. A solution to the system is the one point that makes all equations true. Well, we're going to be talking about graphing, but later on we're also going to talk about how to solve a system without graphing. But this is a good visual representation of how it works. There are three types of solutions. The first one, we're going to call it one solution. Okay. It is where the two lines cross. Right there. Now, a system could also be done with many other types of equations, but in IM1, or Algebra 1, we're going to deal with just systems of linear equations. The next type of solution is no solution. This happens when you have two parallel lines. They never cross or never touch. So there's no solution. The third type is right here. Infinite solutions. Oh, some teachers write it like this with the infinity symbol. What happens here is when you have two identical equations, there's actually two lines here. 1, 2, and they're touching an infinite number of times. Oh, up here, some teachers will write down the empty set. There's no solution. That's a symbol for it. Infinite solutions and no solution. That's your first note. We're going to talk about graphing two lines and finding the solution. Here's our second note. It has a front side and a back side. You're going to put the glue here. You're going to fold it. Okay. Bam. In our textbook, it's Module 2, Topic 3, Lesson 1, second half. Solving systems of equations by graphing. I've got two equations right here. They're graphed on this graph, and the solution's right there. I always want to see your ordered pair where they meet. This is 9, -1. Bam. That's how I always want to see your answer. Okay, let's go on the inside. The inside says, graph each equation on the same graph paper using two different colored pencils or pens. Use one of these three popular methods. All right, the first one, slope-intercept form. Y equals ax plus b or y equals mx plus b. Plot your intercept first and then use the slope to find the next dot on the graph. These guys. This is slope-intercept. All right, I'm going to choose the color green and color blue. I'll do the green one first. My y-intercept is here. That starts me off at 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My slope is 1/4. That means up 1 over 4. Up 1 over 2, 3, 4. I can also go down 1 1, 2, 3, backwards 4, down 1, 1, 2, 3, backwards 4. They should all line up. Doesn't hurt to have too many dots. And that's my green one. Now I'm going to do the blue one. My y-intercept is first. Start at -3. My slope is 5 over 2. That means up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 2. Got it. Then it goes off the page. I can also go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Backwards 2. Double negative will still make it positive. Okay, I've got this. Line it up. Draw your arrows. My solution is right here at 4, 7. Make sure you write down the solution. That's graphing using slope-intercept. Now, let's look at another one. Choice B is standard form. AX plus BY equals C. This form helps you to find the X and Y intercepts. Well, I could graph these using X and Y intercepts. I could also turn them into slope-intercept form, which is what I think I'm going to do. For my notes, I'm going to turn them into slope-intercept form, meaning I'm going to get Y alone. Minus 2x minus 2x. Negative 3y, negative 2x plus 6. Divide by negative 3. All right. Divide by negative 3. Divide by negative 3. Everyone gets equal treatment. Y equals a negative and a negative makes a positive. Positive and negative makes a negative 2. Okay. I've got my y-intercept of negative 2. My slope is 2/3. That's up 2 over 3. Up 2 over 3. Up 2 over 3. Down 2, backwards 3. Down 2, backwards 3. Draw my line. And I'll do the other one. I'll do this one in red. I want to get y alone. Slope-intercept form. So minus 2x minus 2x. 3y equals negative 2x minus 18. I like to put the x's first. That's standard. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. Y equals negative 2/3 x minus 6. 18 divided by 3 is 6 with a negative. All right, I'm going to start at negative 6. That's right. It's right here. I'm going to go, I could go down 2 over 3, down 2 over 3, down 2 over 3. Or I can go up 2, backwards 3. Got it right there. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I need my answer. That's it. My solution is negative 3, negative 4. Let's see, can you see that? Yep, you can see it. All right, that's what I need you to be able to do. You should be able to graph using slope-intercept form. You should be able to graph standard form. You can turn it into slope-intercept form. Just make sure you graph both lines on the same paper. Use 2 different colors. 2 different colors. That way you always know which line is which. All right, You're good.